Oh, hi there. Let me show you how I cook my French beans. Get a pot of water boiling with a little bit of salt in there and add your French beans. Boil the beans no more than 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes max. After it's done, you're going to drain it out, but save the hot water. You're going to need it later. In the meantime, I'm going to slice one shallot, thin slices. After it's done, you're going to drain it and you're going to put them into a cold ice water bath for maybe 1 minute to preserve the bright green color. Heat up some olive oil in a skillet, and I added maybe a teaspoon of butter. Saute the shallots until they're translucent. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute the garlic for maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Now remember the hot water you saved earlier? Put the beans back in the water to give it a quick warm up before you transfer it into the skillet with the shallots and garlic. Of course, you're going to drain it and then transfer it over to the skillet. At this time, I'm going to add some fresh ground black pepper along with Korean chili flakes called Gochugaru. I'll include the link in my descriptions. Saute this for maybe a minute or two and you're done. Let me know if you tried this, and I welcome all your suggestions and comments. Thank you for watching.